about 4 o'clock Eastern, and you see what it's doing out here. Notice it's not dandruff, it's honest to God snow. They say we'll have about 6 to 12 inches of this stuff tonight. Well, it's about 2 minutes later now, and as you can see, it's still coming down fairly much. He's a happy camper, although you can't tell it. He's happy, aren't you? He's happy, isn't she? Yeah, I'm happy. Not. Of course, everybody's driving like crazy up here, which is nothing new. But we'll check back in about, what, 10 to 15 minutes to see what's going on then. Until then, that's all, folks. Hi, this is Bob's nephew. It's about 5:05 Eastern. Golden Girl's running there. Now here we still have some white stuff falling down, although it's not as bad as it was an hour ago. Let's toddle outside for a sec. Now you've heard of sun tea, right? Snow tea. Cold? Yee. So-so. Try to put some snow around it to help in the freezing process here. I haven't checked the Weather Channel yet to see what the temp is, but it's melting a little on the deck here. But it hasn't done much in the last hour. If it's going to do 4 to 6 or 6 to 12, it's going to have to hurry. Hi, Bob's nephew here again. As you can see, it's still coming down, and we have a pretty good, you pan down here, pretty decent accumulation. I'd say, what, 2 or 3 inches at this point? I don't know who it was who said war's hell, but they, compared to this, the war's a picnic. DJ is not happy about the situation. She hates this stuff, don't you, DG? Last night, well, it hurried up and it got here. How much so, you ask? See that ruler right there? Now let's see what the old ruler says here. Almost 14 inches of this stuff.
We're out here on Ron's deck, as you can see. Snow. We're building some miniature snowmen.
Snow persons.
Snow people, whatever you want to call them.
Have to be PC these days.
Just thought I'd send you this to let you see what it's like here.
Thanks.
Snow in the beard and everything. Anyway, that's all.
Good evening, that's all, folks. Put on standby.
When we just stop blowing?
Yes, we're about to. Why does it matter that South Carolina Federal is now a part of First Union? Because now you have even more
Come on, Deej. Come on. Come on, Deej. Come on, babe. Come on, Deej. It's too deep, huh?
Well, thing, it won't be out for a week and a half.